Namaste. Today I am going to teach you power yoga, how you make your muscle strong and more strengthable. So this types of like when you do power yoga, your ribs, your waist and your shoulders become more strong. There is two types of power yoga. One is you stable in the pose, you holding the asana. But I am teaching here to you some type of flow power yoga, 1 to 2, second to third, third to fourth posture, how to go flow. I hope you enjoy this session, just 5 to 10 minute session, advanced power yoga. See, here you suppose come front of your mat, so we go to flow. If we have to go flow in practice, then you come front of your mat, then easily you can jump back also. Here, first stretch as possible as, then give a length on your spinal cord, bend forward. When you bending the forward, hang your neck maximum down, bend your knee, jump back. This is downward. Push your head down, look up, push your hips down. This is called upward facing dog. When you pushing down your weight only on your shoulder and your palm, stretching up, lift your hips up, down. Second variation is same, you go down, lift your leg up. When you lifting leg up, it will go stretching up. This position, again go down. You can do this variation also. This is bit more challenging. See, lifting up, going down, lifting up. Then you change leg, same variation, lift up, go down. Try to keep both knees straight. Maximum weight on your palm, shoulder. Then you again lift up, stretch up, again go down. Cobra is called resting thighs, is cobra pose. Then again tuck your toes, push, head down, look front. Now we go forward bend on power. Pushing knee down, hips down and jump forward. Two variations. One is you keep it down, one is you not keep it down, just go direct. But make sure you should do properly practice with alignment focus. Otherwise you cannot comfortable or you are not comfortable. See, now I show you how to go without resting forward. See, pushing down, holding here, bend, again go to chaturanga, then upward facing. Going down, then we will do one leg forward with keep your left elbow, push down. Here also wait this position. See, this is not much difficult. If you keep your palm proper fix, bend elbow, keep thigh. First variation is just keep here. Second bit lean forward lift, and third and last is this knee bend here, or you can straight also, you can keep down also, or then slowly jump back, upward, chaturanga, upward, then downward. Same opposite. Actually this pose is very beneficial to giving your strength on your outer shoulder and as well as your triceps also. Same opposite also. Here when you go down, same keep this position. Now you can direct do. See, holding here. If you comfortable, direct go back. See, upward facing, then go downward facing. Same. This posture you can do. I show you the front view. You can do this position also. Here, Make sure your elbow bend. This position straight. Try to keep your spine flat. This is different pose. This is different. Remember, you can do one leg also. So here when you do this pose, I'll show you how to jump back. See, here you keep palms proper. This position. Suppose you're doing here, jump back. Jumping with flow. Quick, slowly, gently. Then you can downward. Same. Again go to upward. Push down, stretch out. Now I'll teach you during the power yoga how your waist become flexible, as well as your thigh become flexible, as well as the extra things go out, then you become here slim. See, when you are in upward facing dog, you just turn your leg out, back, out, back, out, back. Same opposite leg, right leg, out, back, out, back. At least 10 rounds left, 10 rounds right. Then you can do upward, then you go downward. This is the best practice, including power on your waist region. This one. Next, have other variations like you do more stretching with lifting head up, look front, leg front, interlock fingers back, stretch more, look up or bend forward. For thigh strength, maximum weight on your thigh. You can see here my full weight on my thigh here, because I am leaning forward, so thigh strength increase. Then you bend forward. So same you do opposite also. Downward, left leg up. See, as higher as possible. Push head down. Stretch as much and then look front. Then gently front leg. Interlock fingers back, bit stretch, bend forward, head resting, shoulder stretching, maximum weight on your left thigh. Good. As longer as you hold, that much you get more strongness, more comfortable and more benefit also. Always holding the pose. Then you go downward. Now we will do one handstand variation. Let me tell you, this is the advanced variation for handstand. Bit difficult, bit challenging, but this is the proper perfection, perform handstand. Very gently, of course this is bit difficult because of when I go down, go up, my knee is full straight. I am not going to jump handstand, I am going to flow handstand. You see the variation? I will show you the side view, because side view you can understand more. See, like first you bending forward, you adjust yourself comfortably. See, there is two variation. One you keep front, one you keep beside. This is medium level, more challenging and more easy. So you do medium level or this. Suppose I will show you full advance example. Full advance is beside here. Make sure your forward bend should be good. See, this is the last pose, okay? I am lifting my knee with knee straight. Legs. This is a bit challenging, okay? But you can try. Suppose you are here, then you same variation come back. You do not jump here. Next variation, you can keep your feet on your head. Gentle, gentle, very, very slow, very, very slow. Must be need flexibility. Then you can same come back. See, my feet still here, because when you do this variation, you need core strength. If your core have good flexibility, good strength, it will be slim, side also, front also. I hope you understand this short power flow yoga class. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.